Konnichiwa! Hello! Today we will talk about Jikoshoukai or self-introduction. Okay, so the first thing is you ask the person, how do you do? So in Japanese, you have to say hajimemashite. It is the phrase used when meeting the person for the first time. Second is you state your name. So you have to say Watashi wa Tinny desu. Again, it's Watashi wa, and then you insert your name and then desu. Next is we also tell the person where we came from. In this example, it is our country. So here are the list of some of the countries in Japanese, and I hope I covered your country. If not, please comment down below yours. Here's how to say it. Firipin kara kimashita. So since I'm from the Philippines, Philippines in Japanese is Firipin. So Firipin kara kimashita. Next is, if you are still studying, you can also tell the person, where are you studying at and your year? For reference, here's the different level. So for first year, if you're a first year student, you say ichi nensei. Second year is ni nensei. Third year is san nensei. And fourth year is nensei. For example, Harvard daigaku no ni nensei desu. So daigaku is university or college. And if you're already working, here's how you're going to say it in Japanese. So it's Google no kaishain desu. So kaishain is employee in English. Lastly, to end the conversation, it is important to say, pleased to meet you. So in Japanese, it is Douzo yoroshiku onegaishimasu. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Arigatou gozaimasu.